In this video, I'm going to show you how to create three-part NCR forms with sequential numbering and text using Fiery JobMaster. Believe it or not, there are still businesses that require three-part forms for their customers. Let's get started. So here I have a purchase order, a single form, and I need to create three parts: an original, a customer copy, and one we're going to put in our filing cabinet. So to do that, I'm going to come over to the page view, select the page, do a right click. I'm going to copy and paste this twice so I have three forms. The next thing I want to do is I'm going to select the media color because we're going to pull these out of three separate drawers. So we want to make sure we're selecting it by media, and we're going to make one pink, one white, and one goldenrod. So we've got that part set up for the drawer pulls. Next, I'm going to hit edit, duplicate the job, and I'm going to make 100 copies of this. What this will do is make a total of 300 pages with all the same job ticketing information for my three-part forms. Next, we'll select a page in the page view, select edit, select all, then do a right click in page view and select edit numbering and stamps to open up our numbering and stamps window. From here, we'll add the range of pages we selected, which is 300 of them. This will create a number field, which we'll move up to the PO section of our form. Next, I'm going to change the font size. Then I'm going to click on the numbering options and select Use Custom Numbering for this range. We're going to start this range at 100. We're going to increment it once, and we're going to repeat it 3 times. So at this point here, we've got our numbering section set up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come back up to the top and select our Copy Range option, which is going to copy the page ranges we selected earlier. So from there, with that range selected, we're going to come and move those fields down to the bottom that we're going to use to identify whether or not this page is an original, a customer copy, or for our filing cabinet. And to do this, we will come up and first center our text and delete our data to create the page number. And in the box, we'll type in original. Then we'll select the 3 dots in our range, and we'll repeat that every third page starting at page 1, then click OK. We will then copy that range again and remove original and type in customer copy, and then go back to the range, click on the 3 dots and repeat that every third page starting at page 2, click OK. And finally, we will do this one more time. We will name this next page File. Click on the 3 dots, repeat this every third page starting at page 3, and click OK. The last thing I'd like to do for this form is I'd like to replace the logo with an Efi logo. So to do that, I'm going to come back up and select the original page range and hit the Copy Range option, select Stamp, then we're going to select Browse, browse out for the logo. Once the logo is dropped in, we'll center it up, covering the old logo, making sure it's correct. And at that point there, we can look at our finished results. So here's our first page. It says original at the bottom and the PO number is 100. Our second page says customer copy. Our PO number still says 100. Our third page says file, PO 100. Our next page says original. PO number has now moved up to 101, so on and so on. If we hit OK, you'll see our ticketing is still intact for our pages, and that's how easy it is to create numbered NCR forms using Fiery JobMaster. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Have a great weekend.